Houston, we have a problem. Our mission was to take us to the moon, but we ended up in Uranus.
Brace yourself.
It's Uranus Fudge Factory.
Alright, so we just got home from Uranus Fudge Factory in Anderson. It is a fudge shop first and foremost, but they have a lot of popcorn, candy, taffy, all kinds of different treats, some jams and jellies if you're into that sort of thing. They also have all kinds of stickers, magnets, gag gifts, things like that. It kind of reminded me of Cracker Barrel a little bit, like they had kind of just everything in there, but audio is really hard to get, so there's not gonna be much of that. So we got some fudge and some chocolate to try. I already have my milk ready to go because I know I'll need it, with my Sugarlands glass that I got last time we were down in Gatlinburg, one of our favorite vacation spots. So we got some blueberry cheesecake fudge. Never heard of such a thing. Our good friend Tim recommended that we try this one. So we'll see if it's good or if we should stop being friends with Tim. I don't get a lot of cheesecake flavor. It's good, but it's not like blueberry cheesecake forward. It tastes very much like white chocolate. I don't really know how to make it taste more like cheesecake, but it's good. Definitely need a sip of this. And then up next is Butterfinger cheesecake. We love Butterfinger in our house, so let's give this a whirl. Hopefully not make too much of a mess. Yep, you can taste the fudge, but the Butterfinger, it's right there, very forward, in your mouth. I like it. Give that a whirl. That's really good. Those are both gigantic pieces, which I'm kind of glad that they're so big because just the fudge was $8. So I'm glad they're very rich. Get your money's worth because that's a big piece. Next is the chocolate. I'll be honest, I can't remember what all I got. I think there's some toffee, definitely caramel because I love caramel, and then a Buckeye. We would grow up making Buckeyes. We would cover the whole thing in chocolate though, so no room for peanut butter. I'll still taste it though. Very good. Must say, not as good as my mom's homemade ones, but nothing ever will be. I don't know what this is. Peanut butter melt-away. I like this better than the Buckeye. I'm glad I tried that back to back, so they're both peanut butter. Couldn't have planned that any better. This is for sure caramel. That's a good caramel. Usually I like it when there's a little bit of a caramel pull, kind of like a cheese pull, but that's still really good caramel. Last, hopefully not least, is toffee. Also love toffee. That's like an elevated Heath bar. That's probably my favorite out of those 4 pieces of chocolate. So it was good. All of this was $13, so a little on the pricey end, but for kind of fine chocolate and fudge, that's about what you usually would pay. So I think I would get some of this again. It's kind of a fun little quick trip. If you have young kids, some of the stuff might be a little inappropriate, but I'd say teenagers and adults, you'll probably go and laugh at a couple jokes or two in there. But good candy. I'd go again.